From potentially curbing appetite to aiding digestion, its acetic acid content is believed by some to contribute to weight loss efforts. Certainly, here's a list of points explaining how to drink apple cider vinegar for weight loss. First, dilution. Mix 1-2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 8 to 16 ounces of water. Using more water can help to reduce the acidity. Second, frequency. Start with once a day and gradually increase if desired. Some people find success with 2-3 times daily, but listen to your body response. Third, timing. Drinking ACV before meals may help control appetite and aid digestion. However, avoid drinking it on an empty stomach as it might lead to discomfort. Fourth, avoid pure ACV. Never drink undiluted ACV as it can be too acidic and harmful to your teeth, throat, and stomach lining. Fifth, combine with a healthy lifestyle. ACV alone isn't a magic solution. It's most effective when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. While some people report benefits from using apple cider vinegar for weight loss, scientific evidence is limited. It's important to approach any weight loss strategy with a cautious and informed mindset.